Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the granny square motif number 24. For this project, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. Plus, you're going to need 4 different colors of yarn. If you need help with any of the stitches or techniques in this video, please check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that. So to get started with row 1, you're going to use yarn color number 1 and you are going to chain 3. Then you are going to work 12 double crochets in the last chain from the hook, and you'll join with a slip stitch with yarn color number 2. So here we are, just joining yarn color number 2. You're going to work 2 single crochets into the same space as where you joined the yarn. Then you're going to go straight into the repeat. The repeat starts off with working a 5 double crochet cluster. Let me show you how to do that. So in the next stitch, you're going to yarn over, like you're going to do a regular double crochet, insert your hook and pull through 1 loop, then 2 loops. And try not to mess up like I did, but you're going to end up leaving the last loop of your double crochet on your hook. So let's take a look at this again. It's a yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, leave that last one on there. You'll do this 5 times, so you'll end up having a total of 6 loops on your crochet hook, and this is all worked within the same space. Then once you have all of your loops on there, you're going to pull through all 6 loops, and that's how you do a 5 double crochet cluster. Then you'll work 2 single crochets into the following stitch. So again, the repeat is working a 5 double crochet cluster in the next stitch, followed by working 2 single crochets in the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around and join with yarn color number 1. Then we are going to start off by chaining 2 for row 3, and we're going to work 2 double crochets in between the 2 spaces of the single crochet. So right there in between those 2, that's where we're going to work that. Then you are going to work 2 double crochets in the following stitch. So again, the repeat is going to be working 2 double crochets into the space between the 2 single crochets from the row below, followed by working 2 double crochets into the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around, and then you will join with a slip stitch with yarn color number 3. So you can kind of see that all of this is actually worked backwards. So everything that's facing you is actually the wrong side of the work. Round 4 with yarn color number 3, you're going to chain 1 and then you're going to work 2 single crochets into the same space where you joined the yarn. Like so. 1, 2. Then you're going to go into a repeat of working a 5 double crochet cluster into the following stitch. Then you'll work 2 single crochets in the next stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around, and you will join with a slip stitch with yarn color number 1. So again, the repeat is working a 5 double crochet cluster in the next stitch, followed by working 2 single crochets in the following stitch. Here we are in round 5. You're going to start off by chaining 2 with yarn color number 1. Then you are going to work 2 double crochets into the space between the 2 single crochets from the row below, just like with round 3. Then you're going to work 2 double crochets into the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around and you will join with a slip stitch with yarn color number 4. So again, it's going to be working 2 double crochets in between the 2 single crochets from the previous row, and then 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Here we are, just joining yarn color number 4, and we're going to start off by chaining 1, then we are going to work 2 single crochets in the same space where we joined our yarn. Then we will jump straight into the repeat, which is going to be working a 5 double crochet cluster. Then you will work 2 single crochets into the same stitch in the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around and you will join with yarn color number 1. So again, the repeat is a 5 double crochet cluster into the next stitch, followed by working 2 single crochets into the following stitch. Here we are with row number 7. You are going to start off by chaining 2, then you're going to work 2 double crochets into the same space as the 2 single crochets from the previous row, just like we have been. Then you will do a single crochet in the next stitch. and you'll repeat this all the way around and you will join with a slip stitch. So again, it's going to be working 2 double crochets into the space between the 2 single crochets, followed by working a single crochet in the next stitch. And with the big reveal, let's turn it around and actually see how your project turned out. Hopefully it turned out exactly like you were expecting. Well, that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day!